gut health and why it's important to your overall health. And if you aren't familiar with that, well, here are 5 reasons why you have to pay attention to your gut health. Your gut or your gastrointestinal tract is responsible for your digestion, absorption, and getting rid of the waste of what you put in your body. It's also home to trillions of microorganisms that make up your gut microbiome. And if these guys are happy, you'll be happy. The first reason why your gut health is important is the absorption of nutrients from the foods that you eat. Things like your vitamins, your minerals, and your amino acids, which are vital for keeping your body functioning optimally. Number 2 is the immune system function. You see, 70 to 80% of our immune system lies within our gut. That microbiome, the balance between the good and bad bacteria in the gut, helps regulate your immune system. And third is mental health and brain function. The gut is now being referred to as your second brain. That's because the gut has more nerves in it than your brain does. And the gut and brain are constantly communicating with each other. Most of the neurotransmitters and all the chemicals in the brain are produced in your gut, and a lot of them by your microbiome. So people with mental health conditions like anxiety and depression need to pay attention to their gut health. Number 4 is weight management issues. There's been many studies done that show an imbalance in your gut microbiome is associated with obesity and metabolic disorders. And number 5, this is an important one, is disease prevention. Now, I'm not talking about your colds and flus. An unhealthy gut microbiome has been linked to many other diseases like inflammatory bowel disease, your IBD, autoimmune diseases like MS, lupus, and Hashimoto's, also cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer. So it makes sense to pay attention to your gut health. And as you saw,